everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing when you're watching this. Hope you're doing fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight I just have a really quick haul. Some is Disney and Amazon, and it's mostly dresses. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was after Alice passed away, I wanted to find something special for me and Mom. This is gonna be an awkward video. Anyway, I'm trying to make it quick and not make it a rambly 2 a.m. like 20-minute long video because it's just a couple of things. Anyways, like I said, awkward. I was looking at like pet memorial stuff on Amazon. I was looking at, like the typical paw print and the Rainbow Bridge stuff, and I wanted something that was a little bit more like wearable. Because we've done the cat statues, the memorial statues, the Rainbow Bridge stuff, the plaster paw prints, and I found these necklaces, and yes, we used to have dogs as well, but I feel like this necklace is a great way to represent the past, future, and present kitties and animals in our lives. We've owned ferrets. I have a parrot at her house, dogs, or they've owned us, they take a piece of our hearts, so it's really like they who own us. I've had hamsters. Anyways, for the animals, past, present, and future, I found this cute little necklace, and I have glue on my hands from doing my art journal today. It's just this cute little, are you gonna work with me? No? Kitty charm on a moon, and the kitty is reaching for the moon. It's so cute, and it's a little star, and it has like these little diamantes and this beautiful thin silver chain, and I bought one for Mom and I, and she loves it, so it's just a great way to honor all of our animals. So I love the way it sits right there, like it's the perfect length, I think. And it came in this adorable box, especially for you, with a little calla lily on it. So I thought that was a nice touch because it was considered like a pet remembrance memorial type necklace. So I thought that was such a cute little gesture from the company. I'll link everything I can down below. You know where to find it. And Disney, yay, of course they're ears. Why wouldn't they be ears? This is my channel. Like, how could I do a haul without including a couple pairs of new Disney ears? So the first pair I got, I'm recording this on Monday, the end of February. Hello March, hello spring, I'm so excited. I hope you had a wonderful month. I'm ready for some spring weather. It's been getting warmer here in Florida. I started my garden, super happy. So on Saturday we went to Animal Kingdom, and I wanted the leopard print ears, and I had like FOMO, like, because I missed the first release of them. And then we go into the shops, I'm looking for something for my mom's birthday, and I see the leopard print ears. So if you're interested and you missed the first release like I did, they are still there. However, well, now they're there again, and they're plentiful. There's a ton of them. And the leopard print loungefly is back. Because resellers were ridiculous, of course, because I think the last time they released the leopard collection was like 2015 or something, But then I saw these, and I was like, these are way more up my alley, and because I'm in a spring fling kick right now, I found these, and they are so gorgeous. They have these little wreath ears with like this plastic fake foliage, and then the flowers across the front are purple and blue, and they are super well made, and the headband is like this light purple, the best purple ever, and it has a velvet lining, and of course you have the CVS tag that is going to be cut off. But I thought these were super cute, and I thought I could incorporate them in more Disney outfits than just the leopard print ears. I may still get those eventually if they're still hanging around, but I love these so much. They are so cute. And they're super comfortable, as the newer ears are, so I was happy to get these. But yeah, this is gonna go. I know a lot of Disney people, like collectors, are like, no, leave the tag on and wrap it around the band like that. And with like a clear rubber band. But I'm like, no, I bought these for me. Like, I'm not a reseller. I'm not going to, like, this collection is for me. The ears are kind of bendy, so I'm trying to like kind of shape them. But yeah, these tags go because those ears are mine. If I buy them with my money, I'm going to freaking wear them. I don't care about like this reseller tag or whatever. The only problem is If the ears are damaged at Disney before you cut the tag off, they will not accept returns or exchanges if you remove this. But the trick is when you're in the parks or Disney Springs to examine your ears and make sure they're not damaged, and then you buy them, because there's usually, like, I always try to go for the ones farther to the back on the racks of the ears, because usually when you walk into a Disney store there's just a huge wall of all the ears they have. Yeah, always reach for the back, because you know the ones in the front are the people trying them on. The only thing I see that's kind of a flaw is, like, if you look on the back there's like gaps. Like, why wouldn't you fill that in with more flowers so you can see the exposed wire? But nobody's going to be looking that close. I even considered gluing more leaves on the back if it does end up bothering me. So anyways, not trying to stay on the same subject for like 5 whole minutes, Sarah. So the next thing I got is from Walt Life. This is my currently my second, because I'm sure I'm going to find another sub box I want. This is my second subscription box currently. It's called Walt Life, and they have different tiers. Not sponsored. I just decided to go for it because of my love of Disney ears. The tiers are like the mega box, which is like $100 something. I don't know. I'll list the prices as I'm talking. And then there's like the ones below it, and then the ears is $27. It's just called just ears. So you get 1 pair of ears every 3 months. I think you get 4 boxes a year, so it's quarterly. It's $27.99 a month. I was kind of skeptical about this. I was like, are they going to send official ears? Are they going to send ears I already have? Are they going to send past ears? If I do get a repeat, I'll put them in a giveaway, because even in the picture before I ordered this, out of the 3 they showed as examples, I already have like 2 of them. So I figured we'd give it a whirl. You can cancel anytime, of course, or you can pause your next box. So of course they would have to put all these like shipping labels on the pretty box. But it says special delivery, and it's almost like a shoe box. Yeah, like they marked all sides of it. And then it says a magical experience. And then it says wondering what's inside. I did already open this and unbag the ears, but I just wanted to show you how it comes, because it's just 1 pair of ears, it wasn't worth its own video. And all the label stuff is on the back. So the box swings open, like I said, like a shoe box. And then you get all the squigglies. You get the squigglies. These guys. And this is my first pair of ears, and I was happy to see that I don't mind handmade ears, but like the website was not specific about what kind of ears you get. It didn't say official or park license or whatever. So I got these. I think they're super cute. They're like a rose gold glitter, and then it has a double bow with like this lame, also rose gold, and then in the front it has this cute little silver bow with diamantes again. And then here's the official tag. So the Disney ears in the parks don't have this tag. It just basically says Disney Parks and a very generic tag. Do I have a tag somewhere? But yeah, it's just a white tag that says Disney Parks. So I think this was like the Disney Store ears. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Or the boutique ears, like if you find them out in like Target, or when they had the Disney stores in the mall. But I really think these are cute, and they have like this rickrack instead of the traditional velvet like the park ears. But I don't have any ears like this. I did not jump on the rose gold train way back when. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. Everybody wanted the rose gold sequins, that I did not jump on that train. But I probably wouldn't pick these out for myself in the park, but I can definitely see myself incorporating these in Disney outfits and bounds. And I haven't seen any ears quite like this, so I don't even know how to look it up. But so far for my first box, I'm pretty happy, and let's move on to Amazon. Super excited about Amazon because you know I love me some dresses. First, not a dress, I bought these, you know, they're called like graffiti stickers. I bought them for my art journal, and also I'm making a sticker table. I'm technically not supposed to because it's a glass table and it looks kind of boring. I'm going to put stickers on that glass part, and if I change my mind, I'm sure it's easy to peel the stickers off because it's glass. So they're by Debinolo. They have a cute little hippie bus with like a surfboard on it. And if you just type in cute stickers, graffiti stickers, or like the big ones, like the vinyl. So they're good quality. I can also throw these in some gift bags and some mail, like friend mail and stuff. Like, I'm not going to go through all of them. I do believe, yeah, 220 stickers. We'd be here all night. So I'll just grab like a handful. So we got Mabel. I love her. From Gravity Falls. So I'm already happy. this cute little puppy, and you know what I'm talking about, like they're big stickers, so I can put these in my art journal, stick them on my dashboard. Look, another, is that that's a Pikachu, right? Is that a dog? I think that's a Pikachu or a Pokemon. No prob with a llama. We got some Mario and Yoshi. So these will be fun to go through and give to friends, or like I said, like put on my table or in my art journal. They're just good to have. A little chinchilla. Life is Good. See, I'm liking these because they're like hippie and cutesy and kawaii. A little doggy butt and like this cute owl. I can give this to my mom. She could stick it on her phone. She loves owls. And then we have a sleepy sloth jamming out to some beats. So I love stickers like that. They're cheap. I can give them to friends. I'm repeating myself. You're supposed to have, speaking of repeats, like no repeats in these, but you know, sometimes there's going to be a mistake because they probably just like grab them and shove them in the bag and sell them on Amazon. But super happy to have those. Gonna add that to like my little art journal decorating box. And now we go to the dresses. I have 4 dresses here. So let's start with the first one, which lead into the second 2, and I'll just like put the try on it for my face while I talk. It's these little skater dresses off Amazon, and there's no brand, it just says medium. There you go, medium M. The first one is Galaxy print. Not quite like the pinup dresses, but have the same flare, but it's that stretchy material. Kind of like the dress-a-leaf dresses where the inside is white. If you stretch it too much, the white will shine through. But I thought these were super cute for the parks, thrifting, SeaWorld or Disney. Because, you know, there's no SeaWorld bounding, but we're going to make that a thing since I have passes now. And yeah, they're just these basic printed, cute scoop neck spaghetti straps dresses where you can just throw them on in the heat of the Florida summer and still look like you tried. So the second one I got is the same exact like page on Amazon. They just show the different patterns all in one window, I guess. So again, this is medium. The second one I got is flamingos. I love the colors of this. I love flamingos. I love like how this material feels. Like it's really lightweight but not too sheer or anything, and it has some give to it. And then the last one of this style, I got the mermaid scales. It's so cute. I think it's so stinking cute, and they're just so basic. I'll probably calm down on the dresses for a while until I go thrifting. And I say that as I got a Shein haul in the mail today. But Shein. But it's like this ombre blue to purple to pink. Kind of like the Galaxy print, but not really. And also a medium, so I thought those would be super cute, especially for SeaWorld because they're not like Disney themed. They're more like animal and nature themed. And then this is a pinup dress, and I've been eyeing this for a while. I do not have a leopard print one. This is by BB Online Dress. And it's just the same shape as most of these pinup dresses I have. It zips up the back. It's got the cap sleeves and the sweetheart neckline. And no pockets, unfortunately, but I swear these are all the same company, like who produces these dresses, and people just buy them in bulk and slap their own tag on it. I'm just saying, it's a theory. But yeah, it's a cute leopard print dress, and yeah, I wanted one for like Animal Kingdom or date night, so I don't really have a lot of leopard print in my wardrobe currently, like especially in dress form. I do have a giraffe dress, print dress that I need to fix. It's in my sewing pile, so we need to get on that, Sarah. But yeah, I love these style dresses. You've seen them in many, many, many of my videos before. I'm trying to collect every single one and every single pattern possible. So yeah, that was my quick little haul. I hope you enjoyed this. And if I don't put the things over my face, then you'll see them after I'm done talking and rambling. I hope everybody's doing all right. I hope you're wearing whatever makes you happy and doing whatever makes you happy, because if it's not hurting anybody else, don't worry about it. Screw the haters, all the things, because if you wake up in the morning and you get dressed and you look in the mirror and you smile, that means you're doing a good job, because that's the whole point of this channel, is to do what makes you happy, wear what you want, and be yourself. And I will talk to you in the next one. I love you so much. Stay fabulous. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Awkward. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.